Hello guys, how are you? Today I show you how to uninstall application on Winux in two ways. First of all, I install LibreOffice. Go to Discover app and install LibreOffice Scale. It's take some time. Launch LibreOffice. I quick demo for LibreOffice. It's like MS Office Excel. Many features are available like MS Excel, but different way in Linux. I'm not expert for Excel, but I saw how many options available in LibreOffice Scale. Many chart layout available. Many function available. Also macro available in LibreOffice. Close it. I show you first way to uninstall app. Go to Discover app and remove to click and it's type password and uninstall it. It's done. LibreOffice Scale is permanently uninstalled. I show second way to how to uninstall app when Discover app not working. Uninstall app. This Krita app installed. Also show in Discover app this app is installed. Krita is installed. See so first of all go to console Linux and type who am I. Show your username. Second, type dpkg list. Show you package name. Search Krita package name. You can manually search one by one all package name. When search Krita package name, write down on your paper, otherwise notepad. So this two name are Krita package name. This name required to uninstall Krita by console. Type apt sudo apt remove. Type package name Krita and enter. Type your password and it's done. Krita is uninstalling. Type Y and enter. Also Krita data delete. You can sudo apt remove Krita data and enter. Type Y to remove Krita data. Krita is permanently uninstalling. You can check in app list. Type Krita. No found Krita. You can check in Discover. Krita is now uninstalled. So guys, you can like this video and share this video.